Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start with safety. Engine off, key out, parking brake engaged. That prevents surprises. Once you confirm that, put on gloves and goggles because batteries can spray acid and spark. Make sure you can reach the negative terminal, the one marked with a minus sign or a black cable. Next, take a 10 mm wrench and a rag. Loosen the clamp nut just enough to break contact. You want to back it off without removing the tool entirely, so it won't slip. Once the clamp nut is loose, you should feel the clamp release. Use steady pressure, because jerky motions can cause sparks. Then lift the cable straight up and off the post. Do not rock it toward the positive terminal or any metal, because that creates a short. After removing, immediately move the cable away and secure it with tape, or set it so it cannot fall back. Make sure the exposed terminal is not touching tools or your body while you work on anything else. To finish, check the post for corrosion. A baking soda paste neutralizes acid, so scrub gently, rinse, and dry before applying protector. If the nut is seized, spray a penetrating lubricant and wait 5 to 10 minutes, then try again with controlled force. Avoid hammering. If you see sparks at any point, stop immediately, confirm the engine and all accessories are off, remove the key, and reposition the cable away from the post before retrying. That single troubleshooting step prevents most accidents.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.